Hey guys, what is going on? It's the Crypto Kid, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about why I think the bear market is happening right now, when I think this bear market will end, and really, why is 2018 going to be a bear market? Is it going to be a bear market until 2019, right? A lot of these questions I'm going to attempt to answer today. However, they're just my opinions, right? There is no real I mean, there's in cryptocurrency, no one knows. No matter how many technical analysts you do, it's impossible to know what cryptocurrency market is going to do next. So I'm just going to be giving my prediction, so it's not financial advice, right? So let's get right into this video. And also, guys, if you do like my videos, please like this video. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. The little subscribe button should be right on the right side. Okay, so let's get right into this. Bitcoin's market cap is currently 112 billion, $6.5 thousand at the moment, or $6,586. It's down 4.3% today. Volume is 4.5 billion last 24 hours. Obviously, max supply 21 million, right? So we can see here. Right now, it is in one of the lowest points it's been since February, around February 5th, February 3rd. So obviously, a lot of people are scared right now. A lot of people are panic selling, and nobody really knows what's happening. Now, in my opinion, there was definitely a lot of manipulation in this recent crash, okay? It doesn't seem all natural. It is quite natural, however, there is a lot of manipulation still. Manipulation meaning just bots, even trading bots that are selling large amounts of whales. So that is obviously not good for the market, as it kind of leaves us in the dust, people that don't have tons, basically millions and millions of dollars just to invest in these coins and then take out of the market. Really leaves people in the dust, right? And leaves the market in the dust. Now, yeah, so in my opinion, there is a lot of manipulation at the moment. Just you can see here the moving average, right? So one of the lowest points has gotten to a while. The 13 moving average is obviously under the 33. Great buying point technically. You can see the all size right on 30. So as you can see, guys, when it's been getting to 30, it's been bounced here, went up, come back down. We're gonna expect another bounce, right? Because look, every time it does it, it goes. It usually sometimes goes under and then it just quick bounces. So I mean, that's a quick profit, I guess you could make. However, this bear market honestly could last a little bit, guys. It just depends, because the $7,100 support that we had before was actually really doing good, right? But it wasn't as strong as we thought it was, and it actually broke that support. So the next mini support we will have is around 6,400, so about $186 away from that. So that's 6,400 is a mini support. I'm expecting anyways a bounce off 6,400, maybe back to 7,000 even, or 6,900, and then unfortunately it could, a high probability of it going to its the really strong support that we have, which is around 6,100. So that is a really good support that it most likely will hopefully kind of start moving up after that, because the 6,400 support, it definitely could bounce off that and just keep going up. However, I don't think it's the strongest support, because we had a 6,700 support, decent support also after the 7,100, but it also broke that support, unfortunately. So the next support, the strong support after the 6,100, would be the 4,900. Okay, so hopefully the 6,100 will hold, because the 6,100, guys, if you actually look, is all the way from back. I'll go over to here, make it easier. It's all the way from the right here. It's right here around February 5th. It went down to 6,100. In the matter of days, it dropped from 19,000, right, all the way to 6,100. Its lowest point. It won't even go down just because of how quickly it dropped and rised up. But as we can see here, guys, when it did hit that 6,100, okay, it shot up literally a day later. Literally a day later, or 2 days later, it shot back up to 8,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 12,000. So, hopefully that support proves to be quite good. And Bitcoin can really bounce off that support, because when Bitcoin does good, right? That's why I'm focusing a lot on Bitcoin. Is because when Bitcoin does the good, the rest of the market does do good. Usually, most of the coins, right? Just because that's how it's going right now. Unfortunately, hopefully, one day we can see coins having their own kind of market patterns, right? Instead of everyone a lot of them following Bitcoin. Now, I believe that it's gonna bounce. I don't think it will go to the 4,900 support. That's my opinion. Of course, guys, it can. It's very possible that we will see, could go to a 4,900 support, but I'm being bullish, optimistic, because I just like thinking positive. Even if it does go to 4,900, I don't freak out. I don't panic. I still believe in technology, right? And of course, there's a lot more than technology, right? There's manipulation in the market. There's whales affecting the markets, and especially with cryptocurrency, unlike stocks or anything, which is dangerous to people holding the coins. However, I just think that we will. I think it's going to see a nice year for 2018. That's my opinion. I think Bitcoin's going maybe even more than its previous high by the end of 2018. I think that's very possible, because it could bounce. In my opinion, it's gonna, in July, mid-July, it's gonna really start getting some bullish patterns. It's gonna start moving up, maybe to 9,000 area. It will be in mid-July. I think that's very doable. Similar to how in February it bounced up very high. So if it did bounce up like February, it would be past 9,000 by mid-July, unless it takes a while, unless we hover around that support line of 6,400 and 6,100 for a while, which is very possible. Because again, guys, these bearish markets, it's nothing new to cryptocurrency. It's just new, and everyone's freaking out about it, is because all the new people that got in will promise that Bitcoin and all these cryptocurrencies are get rich quick kind of investments, right? You invest in them and they're going up, and they just keep going up, right? They just never stop going up. And obviously it did look like that for a while, but it's a regular, it's a market, guys. It has corrections, it has manipulations, it has FUD, has all kinds of things that affect the price of coins, and Bitcoin especially. So we could see, who knows, guys? There was a bearish market from 2013, right, all the way to 2017, right? So obviously we do not want that. But why is now everyone looks at cryptocurrency as if it did that, it would be dead, and that would be impossible to happen. But when in reality it could very well happen. Hopefully it doesn't, right? I obviously don't want it to, but again, it's the same technology in 3 years from now, 2 years from now. But I definitely think 2018 is going to be a good year. I'm not on that page. I'm not thinking it's going to be bearish for 3 years, 2 years, right? So I'm interested in knowing what you guys think of this bearish market in 2018 for cryptocurrency. Do you think it's going to recover in a couple months? Next month in July, because a lot of people predicting July, and me especially predicting July will be pretty good for cryptocurrency. But yeah, please comment below what you guys think. I'm interested in knowing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you do want to buy some cryptocurrency, as these prices are pretty, I don't like using the term cheap, but I mean, they are cheap. Come on. Like this 6,500, I mean, even if it went down to 6,100, I mean, I think it's a good price, but you could wait more. But I'm not a financial advisor, right? I'm just sharing when I would pick it up. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. There'll be a link to Coinbase in the description. You'll get $10 for free if you guys do want to use that. And always, always, always protect your cryptocurrency. Protect your investments, right? If you're investing a lot of money to you, and it matters to you, you want to have it protected. right? So use a Ledger Nano S, guys. That's what I use for a lot of my coins. So I would recommend using that. There'll be a link in the description to that. It's the best hardware wallet out there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and peace.